I have made this candy vending machine, and it dispenses candy. By the way, it is made out of Legos. So each candy costs 25 cents, and if you put in something short of 25 cents, like this penny, when it goes on the ramp, it doesn't make it, and it falls through. Now when you take the 25 cents, it doesn't fall through and continues on. Now, in order for the owner to get it, see, you would probably take this out. In order for the owner to get it, to the customer, it looks like there's nothing there. But for the owner to get it, the owner, come, put that in, pull it out, and voila. This is where the change that wasn't accepted goes, and here's where the accepted proper 25 cents goes. But in order to further unlock it, you need to pull this in. And then you come over here, and there's, now if you can see, okay, so then you're gonna hit this. So when you turn this, it lifts this up, get the candy, it's in the front, pull out the candy. Voila. Yeah. So that's pretty much my Lego candy machine. Yeah. Just get the candy. Take it out, eat it, put it, stuff it in your pocket. Oh wait, yeah. And then the owner comes. Give me my money. Give me my money. And that's the complete surround 360 view of the candy machine.